Hey guys, a little update from last video. Basically, disassembled completely my other engine, the one that was in my car previously with Finnish cylinder 4 and no, I think 3 and 5, I guess, with rod bearings. So yeah, so basically what I done, I removed completely pistons, because if you remember correctly by previous video, other block that I was trying to assemble, I found that one rod been bent. So when I removed piston completely, I saw it's got it's damaged basically the block too. It's have a lot of scratches there and too. So that's why I stopped it with other block, and I said there's no point basically. It's need to bring to machine shop, blah blah blah. So because I have already basically 3 blocks. One I found that when I bought for very cheap, the guy didn't give me the cups for main bearings, so I don't have them. And how I read on basically on forums and everywhere that they supposed to be cups supposed to coming with the engine. So it's mean that like I can take them from another block and put them here. There is might be clearance difference and everything, so I decided not to go that way. So this block basically I use for parts. It's cost me like $200, but already I returned my money clearly, because I took it few pistons from here. That's one part. My block that been damaged, it's here. I don't remember which side it was, but there is like pretty bad scratches that like I can't even feel with my finger. So I said I don't want to continue. And also what I found, this is 2009. The different, you know, everyone's saying N63 same engine, blah blah blah. I know like there is a big difference in N63 to TU and N63 previous one, but we talk about now basically N63 non-TU, and even that they already have difference. So this is 2009, this is 2010, and look what I have like 2010. I'm gonna show you. Sec. So basically, first what I found is that I read for N63 TU that forge rods, forge crank, and basically those oil stuff for pistons, they've been modified, they've been changed. So basically on 2009 there is only one bolt, and spray nozzles, basically they're like one in middle and 2 sprays that going like this. On this one 2010 they already modified, and they already put each nozzle for each cylinder. So that's one difference in 2010 and 2009. And another different in 2010 and 2009, that's 2009, that's 2010. How you see, basically piston is the same, same part number pretty much. I don't see any difference, look like same rings and everything, but rods is different. 2010 have a straight rod. I have this block, it's 2012, and have similar rods. They are just straight. 2009 use those rods on angle. The difference, I don't know. I don't know why they make this, but anyway. So that's what's happened. So those one is completely different. So yeah. So that's two different parts that I found. I'm still checking for a crankshaft, if there is like a difference in crankshafts. How you can see here, that's what happened, and it's pretty bad actually, because you can even see like the line here that like it's two different like levels. So this crankshaft is finished, and I got another one there that like pretty much still in good condition and everything, so I'm gonna use it. What else? Piston. So cause I disassembled completely the block, my block. I cleaned it everything, so pretty much clean, ready to assemble it. It's like it's okay condition, like I can't say it's like a perfect. Still how you see some stuff like this, but with that I can do nothing. And how I say, like I have 3 blocks and they're all the same, so you know, it sucks. Like yes, you can do it to maybe go different way and like pretty much machine it, polish it, like, but like again there's like this stuff that they use for from BMW, so I'm not gonna be able to make it same. So anyway, it's like big money for something that not even worth it. The car not worth it, that money, and pretty much the engine not worth it. So if something happen, well, you just replace it and that's it. What else? So block is clean, ready to assemble. Cleaned all pistons. They all been like this. Even that I can say already a little bit. I try to scratch it, like to clean it a little bit. So it's pretty much that's how it was look before, kind of. So yeah, they are pretty much was dirty. Now they're all clean. Remove it all rings, clean everything. Yeah, so it was pretty much fail. What else? There is like some little part that I wanted to show you. There is a ring. I'm gonna show you. Just here. There is this cup that going on top of the spring, kind of like this. So this stuff you can open it completely, because it's like a line with go inside of this spring. So the open side supposed to be 190 degrees compared to this gap, like to the open of this kind of protection ring. So it's supposed to be other side. So just to mention, because BMW technical data doesn't show you and doesn't explain you. I think maybe actually they don't explain you there. So yeah, so it's supposed to be different side. And then the rings, yeah, you're doing 120 degrees for the rest of. So it's gonna be pretty much like a kind of like a Mercedes sign. So one is here, one here, and one here. So yeah, but you don't. Yeah, other stuff is that you don't put any open spaces on around this area. So always supposed to be here, or it's always supposed to be this side, not the middle. So yeah, so I'm starting to assemble back, and I'm gonna show you some other updates later. Still need to work on heads, because heads gonna take now. I'm gonna take different heads, and I need to make again, clean everything, because how I said, like they all completely like this. So I decided that because I already opened completely the heads, and gonna replace the head gaskets and everything. Because of that, I'm gonna disassemble completely valves. I'm gonna clean them. I'm gonna clean all these head surfaces to make sure that like everything's perfectly fine, and gonna assemble back with a new valve seals and everything. So that's coming for next day. And yeah, so that's much. Already pretty messy in my garage here. A little bit tired of this, but wanna finish to be sure that it's done, because it's been a while already. doesn't have much time to work and with my main work and everything, so it's take like kind of time. So yeah, so I'm gonna give you more updates in next video, or maybe even I'm gonna add more stuff in this video. We'll see.